Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we are doing an all-time favorite recipe. We are making brown rice. It's simple, it's awesome, and it's definitely Basant style. For ingredients, we have 3 glasses of rice, washed and soaked. We have 2 onions, about medium cut, garam masala, coriander powder, black zeera, salt, 1.5 cups of oil. And for the measurement of rice, I use a regular drinking glass. It measures out to 2 cups per glass, but don't worry, I'm gonna have the whole thing posted on my description so you'll get the measurements and the measurements for the spices. Let's get started, guys. Let's start off with 1.5 cups of oil. I like to heat up the pan first, so as soon as the oil goes in, it gets hot. Now, the trick over here is the oil has to be really hot. The color for the brown rice comes from the color of the onions. They can't be burnt and they cannot be undercooked. I'm gonna show you, it's really cool, Basant style. So the oil is nice and hot. The perfect color for the onions because it's gonna brown the rice really good. And now we add the spices. We do 1 tablespoon black zeera, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, and 1 tablespoon salt. We mix it in really good. And now we add water. So for every 3 glasses of rice, I add 4 glasses of water. 4.5 glasses of water. So 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So we've got the water in. I put 4.5 glasses of water. We're gonna bring it to a boil and then we're gonna add rice. But I'm gonna tell you the measurement for water per rice. So for 3 glasses of rice, you use 4.5 glasses of water. So by the time the water comes to boil, it's gonna be the perfect ratio where the rice is not gonna turn into a mush. You'll see it's really hot, okay? Water is boiling really good. Color is gorgeous. It's gonna be nice, give it a nice color. I wash the rice, goes in. Make sure we don't waste any because good rice is expensive. You see the ratio? That's perfect. Now we're gonna let the rice cook, soak up all the spices in the water, and then we're gonna put it on dum. Just gently, very kindly stir the rice around because you don't want to break it. And you can see the grain of rice is getting longer. It's soaking up all the juices and taking on the color. A few more minutes, we're gonna put it on dum and finish up the recipe. The hottest tip in this recipe was the quantity of water. Everything is soaked, grain of rice is perfect. It's ready to go on dum, Basant style. Okay, so you put the rag on, put the cover on. I like to use pizza trays. And put it back on. Put the heat down to medium. Time to check the rice. Wow. Look at the color and the grain of rice. This is exactly what Basant style is. Guys, the recipe is ready. Let's get ready to plate. Okay, so I'm gonna break the rice and see how it comes up. Oh my God, look at the grain of rice. The color, it is gorgeous and the simplest recipe in the world. Okay, so now we plate, my favorite step. Wow, it is just gorgeous. The color, even the smell, the grain of rice, every single thing, Basant style. Okay guys, everything is plated. Now for my favorite garnish, I'm gonna put a little dry parsley to break the color. And this is it. Guys, the rice is cooked, the color is gorgeous, the grain of rice is perfect, the plating is done. We have a little keema, we have a little salad, I have a little chicken makhani to go perfectly with the rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had a great time making it. It's simple, it's fast, and most importantly, it's perfect. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.